Hello and welcome back health and fitness enthusiasts. Today's topic is, unleash the potential of Oregano, 7-day body transformation. Are you looking for a natural way to enhance your health and transform your body? Look no further than Oregano, a humble herb that packs a powerful punch. Beyond being a flavorful addition to your meals, Oregano is a nutrient powerhouse that can revolutionize your well-being. In this video, we will delve into the incredible benefits of Oregano and how it can lead to a remarkable transformation in just 7 days. Oregano, often known as Origanum vulgare, is a herbaceous plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary applications. Let's start by exploring the impressive nutritional profile of Oregano. Rich in vitamins A, C, E, and K, as well as minerals like calcium, iron, and manganese, this herb is a veritable treasure trove of essential nutrients. Moreover, Oregano is loaded with antioxidants that help combat harmful free radicals in the body, supporting overall health and well-being. One of the most remarkable benefits of Oregano lies in its ability to boost the immune system. Scientific studies have shown that Oregano contains natural compounds, such as carvacrol and thymol, which possess potent antimicrobial properties. These compounds can strengthen your immune system, providing a formidable defense against various illnesses and infections. By incorporating Oregano into your diet, you can fortify your body's natural defenses and experience a newfound resilience. In addition to bolstering the immune system, Oregano also possesses impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a leading cause of various health issues, including joint pain and digestive disorders. Oregano's anti-inflammatory compounds can help alleviate these symptoms and promote overall well-being. Scientific research has indicated that Oregano extract may inhibit the production of inflammatory molecules, providing relief and improving quality of life. If you struggle with digestive discomforts like bloating and gas, Oregano might just be the solution you've been seeking. This remarkable herb has been shown to improve digestion by stimulating enzyme production, aiding in the breakdown of food and facilitating nutrient absorption. Furthermore, Oregano possesses carminative properties, which can help relieve gas and bloating, allowing you to enjoy meals without discomfort. For those on a weight loss journey, Oregano can be a valuable ally. Its metabolism-boosting properties can rev up your calorie-burning engine, aiding in weight management. Additionally, Oregano has been found to reduce cravings, making it easier to resist unhealthy temptations. By supporting healthy digestion, Oregano ensures that your body efficiently processes food, maximizing nutrient absorption and promoting weight loss. Detoxification is another area where Oregano shines. Our bodies are constantly exposed to toxins from various sources, and an overwhelmed detoxification system can lead to fatigue, sluggishness, and a compromised immune system. Oregano aids in detoxification by promoting liver function and assisting the body in eliminating toxins. By incorporating Oregano into your daily routine, you can help your body cleanse itself, leading to a revitalized and rejuvenated system. When it comes to respiratory health, Oregano is a true champion. Its aromatic compounds have been found to possess expectorant and decongestant properties, making it effective in clearing congestion and easing coughs. Oregano's antimicrobial activity may also help combat respiratory infections, providing relief and promoting a healthy respiratory system. Heart health is of utmost importance, and Oregano offers some impressive benefits in this domain. Scientific studies suggest that Oregano may help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and support overall cardiovascular health. These effects can be attributed to the herb's antioxidant properties, as well as its ability to improve circulation and promote the dilation of blood vessels. Emerging research is shedding light on the potential cognitive benefits of Oregano. Preliminary studies indicate that Oregano may have positive effects on cognitive function, memory, and brain health. While further research is needed to fully understand these effects, the initial findings offer promising insights into the potential of Oregano as a natural cognitive enhancer and a protector against age-related cognitive decline. Now that you're aware of the incredible benefits Oregano offers, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your daily routine. The good news is that there are numerous delicious ways to enjoy this herb. From adding it to soups and stews to sprinkling it on salads or using it in marinades, Oregano can elevate the flavor of your dishes while providing its health benefits. Experiment with different recipes and discover the joy of cooking with Oregano. In conclusion, Oregano is not just an ordinary herb, it is a powerhouse of nutrients and health benefits. From boosting the immune system and alleviating inflammation to improving digestion and aiding in weight management, Oregano can truly transform your body in just 7 days. Scientific studies continue to support the impressive potential of Oregano, making it a valuable addition to your daily routine. Embrace the power of Oregano and unlock the remarkable benefits it has to offer. Your body will thank you. If you got any value from this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and best of luck on your fitness journey.